Let's look at 5 steps you can take in order to live off dividends. Number 1, contribute $200 each month to your dividend portfolio for your first year. If you can contribute more money, that's great, but $200 is a good starting point. Automating this process is key so you don't have to think about it every month. Once you've set it up, you can relax and let money roll in. It's a great way to secure your financial future, and it all starts with that first contribution. Number 2, increase your monthly contributions by 25% each year. I know, it sounds like a lot, but it's doable, I promise. As long as you are a good saver, you should be able to do this for the first 10 years. After that, the annual increases get much more difficult, but they are still attainable. It's also important to keep in mind ways you can increase your income over the years, through side hustles and other money-making ventures. So if you're up for the challenge, go ahead and increase your contributions by 25% each year. I guarantee you'll be glad you did. Number 3, reinvest your dividend income back into your dividend growth portfolio. Reinvesting helps you grow your portfolio at an accelerated rate. When you reinvest your dividends, you're essentially giving yourself a raise, and the more money you have invested, the more money you'll earn in dividends each year. Over time, this can compound into a significant amount of money. So if you're serious about living off dividends, make sure to reinvest any dividend income you receive back into your portfolio. It's one of the smartest things you can do. Number 4, invest in good quality stocks. An experienced investor will tell you that one of the key secrets to success is to invest in good quality stocks. But what exactly makes a stock good quality, and how can you find these hidden gems? Let's take a closer look. One important thing to consider is a company's financials. Does it have a strong balance sheet with little debt? Is it generating consistent cash flow? These are the types of companies that are more likely to weather economic downturns and still maintain their dividend payments. Another thing to look for is a company with a long history of paying dividends. These companies tend to be more established and mature, and they usually have solid management teams in place. Finally, don't forget to pay attention to valuations. If a stock is trading at a significant discount to its intrinsic value, it may be worth considering as an investment. Before I move on to the last step, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 5, repeat steps 1 through 4. It's all about consistency. Keep on reinvesting your earnings back into your portfolio and keep on increasing the amount you contribute every year as much as you can. Keep on keeping on, and over time, you just might find yourself with a nice little fortune that will support you for the rest of your life. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.